you want to be on YouTube? Yeah. Do you like Mustangs? Yeah.
Alrighty, it's a new morning. Day 2 of Affinity Circuit with the Drift Evolution in Medford, Oregon. And we just got here. Already got it jacked up. What's the conclusion, buddy? Starter is loose, causing a bad clunk when we start the car. So we had an issue when we put it back in. One of the holes was basically cross-threaded. Don't know what from, but we're gonna try to figure out how to fix it and get going. All right, we are good to go. Good to go. Starter bolts were pretty loose. Honestly, don't know if we tightened them up in the first place. So I think we did. I think they just loosened up. But got those all done. Car's ready to rip. Just got done putting on a couple rear tires. Carlton's torquing up. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Another day.
Another day.
Another day working on the car.
Yeah.
Another day with the kickers on.
Got the old work boots.
The work boots. All right. Today is going to be a blast. You guys should see a lot of outside footage. We're going to try to get more outside footage than inside footage today. Unless we're tanning them up close with somebody, so. Cheers, boys. Yeah. Hey, mimosas. I'm sorry, man. little close on transition. I was like,
damn Mustang life.
No,
that was fun though.
Just a tad bit close on transition.
That was awesome.
Yeah. You're all good, right?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, we're all good.
I don't think it bent the suspension or anything.
All right, good. No, I just barely tagged your bumper.
Yeah, that was cool. That
cool.
was fun.
Right on, buddy.
Just get out there and make the jam, yeah.
I know. Thank you.
Yeah,
Had a little incident with Farouk, as you just saw on that clip. No big deal. Just barely tapped in with my bash bar right here. Blew out the corner light. Looks like it cracked my header panel. And bumper came flying off. Same with the brackets. So we'll have to rip the brackets off and rivet them back in there, or bolt them back in there, because we don't have any rivets. So everything's going smooth. Gave a couple ride-alongs, made 40 bucks. Then had to spend 500 bucks on all new tires. So thanks, babe, for paying for most of that. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
It's been a great drift week so far. Having a blast. 78. Finally did it. I've been trying all 2 days to get it above 75, so happy to get that. Now
78 on the
mile per hour on the entry.
Yeah, there
so
you
feels like it's going a lot faster than that, but it's not.
Yeah.
So I'm happy with that.
Fielding's over there. Let's go talk to him.
Yep.
Okay, what'd you do now?
Okay, tire killer. Got more than 600 horsepower, so it's tire killer. Death trap. It's a full-blown Pro-Am car with my bumper hanging off. So being a death trap.
Aaron would not be happy with your bumper hanging
cage,
off.
Full cage, so get the Death Trap Award. Drift Week entry, 78 miles per hour. So this says 100, but they realized that they can't hit 100 on this track. So anything above 75 was able to get it. I hit 78. And then, oh, this is the rocket ship. This is the 100 horsepower, or 600 horsepower. Yeah, oh yeah, I got him, I got him.
So what was the other
This
one?
is the tire killer, blowing out all the smoke behind me.
Oh yeah, that's
so,
the smoke behind me.
Yep, so
Okay,
we're gonna get him that video right now, and then we're good to go.
There you go.
Get these put on.
Joel's taking your place.
Touched my butt.
What did you do to Tori?
Oh, I gave Tori a little bump. You know, we were going through a transition, surged up, tried to get back on his bumper, and just gave him a little love tap.
Touched his butt.
Touched the butt.
Up your Instagram. Said Malcolm told me if I stomp out my pieces of shit, I get a free pair of heat whip. You stomp it out, you call it junk, you check it,
Good, perfect. That's all we gotta do. All right, Matt Field told me I gotta stomp out my shitties for some heat ray visuals.
Yes! Stomp them out!
Thanks, brother.
You're very welcome.
Yes, sir.
Alright, Matt Field came up to me and told me how to stomp out my shitties for some heat waves.
Oh, there we go.
Hey.
Up to your foot.
How goes it?
It's going good. Giving everyone ride-alongs, having a blast, having a really good fun time.
Yeah.
Everyone's loving the car, so that's cool. Just got some heat wave visuals from Matt Field, and it's been a great track day. So trying to get as many rides in as I can. I got 3 more to give before dark, so I'm gonna try to rip and get these done. You mind snagging those other 2 tires?
Rebel!
I left them all the way here just like this. It doesn't let go yet.
What are you doing, Rebel? Are you gonna come meet Toast sometime? Yeah? My little ice cube friend. How was it?
It's badass. Definitely.
Thanks to Cameron Moore, hooked us up with 4 of the Pergias, so we are gonna rip those. So far so good. 28 pressure, and they lasted quite a while, so pretty happy with those. Excited to try them again.
More. Carlton's been a little quiet today. What do you think about this day?
It's been pretty fun. I think getting the ride along is pretty cool, so it's been fun to have people come out.
Yeah, you got some
Experience the
rides today too.
drifting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got to ride a Corvette. Something I probably would never see myself doing, but I got in the Rossavio. It was pretty sick. It was a lot of fun.
Smile, say sex. Are you guys gonna drift sometime?
Yeah, that would be fun.
That'd be fun. What kind of car do you want? This one. How was it?
It was fun.
How was it?
It was awesome.
So we are finished up for the day at Medford. It's been absolutely insane. It's been an amazing day. Gave a whole bunch of ride-alongs, which I've never done that. Thanks, buddy. Tag me on Instagram if you post it. Cool. Yeah, I had a really good time. Gave a whole bunch of guys ride-alongs. They loved it. Did one last ride-along because it's super sketchy out right now. This track has no lights at all, other than the 2 lights you see behind you. So with no lights out there, my headlights are just pointed straight down on the ground, so it was super sketchy, but had to do it one last time for the kids that came out, or boys, whatever you want to call them. So had a good time. This track's awesome, and on to Park in Portland tomorrow.